hope you guys have solved some of the questions, like you have watched the previous session where we discussed root words and some words we have discussed, and how will you be able to uh, see to it that what kind of roots do come and what are the basis of the words and how to understand the meaning of it. So in today's session, I've just come up with some of the exercise. I just want you to like be prepared that whatever kind of questions to come, this is how you divide and understand the meaning of the word, and it can be of any kind of level. Like you see, in vocabulary, we don't have specific level to it, but yeah, whatever your exam is, that decides the level of the kind of words or the kind of vocabulary they are going to give. But it is applicable everywhere and to all. So we are not being specific here. Okay, so let's read the instructions first. For each sentence below, study the one word that's in bold print. See if you can identify the root word of base with any prefix or suffix that are attached to it. Are you After you have filled in all the blanks, compare your answers with those below. Okay, let's see. I'll keep giving you the answers, so you don't have to go anywhere to check this out. I'll just keep giving you the answers. See, the question is, the sentence is, we watched a preview of the new Pixar movie. Now what is the root here and what is the prefix here? You see, the root here is view and the prefix here is preview. Getting my point? Pre and view. You see, you have a word preview. You got a root also, you got a prefix also. Now, do we have any word from view? Let's check that out as well. Do we have a word, any other word from view? Definitely pre. We have many words from pre, so we'll focus on the view part, right? Viewpoint, review, viewpoint, review, preview, preview already written here. Okay, so these are some of the words. Next, let's move to the next question. Next is, the dancing cat was seen by more than 2 million YouTube viewers. So you see, viewers again, viewers. So view is the root here and ers is the suffix here. The teacher handed out paper hearts to the students who had done extra work. Teacher. Teacher is again here a root word. Teach is the word and er is the suffix. The magician made the rabbit disappear. You see, disappear. Dis is the root here. Or no. I think this is the prefix here and appear is the root here. So this is how you divide and understand the meaning of a word. At the end of his performance, the magician made a graceful bow to the audience. You see the word graceful. The word is grace and suffix is full. Shaila asked the magician for his autograph. Autograph. The word is auto, and auto means automatic, self and all, and graph. Graph means something when written. Autograph. Okay, because of the lightness of the breeze, the sailboat moved quite slowly. Lightness is the term here. Light is the root and ness is the suffix. Despite the heaviness of his backpack, Jack raced up the hill. Heaviness again. The word is heavy and the suffix is NESS. Some dogs are shy or unfriendly and they might bark or snap if you try to pet them. Now you see, here there are two words. The first, the root is friend. The prefix is unfriend and the suffix is ly, unfriendly. Esther quickly reopened the door and called for her cat. So opened, you see, reopened. Again, three words are involved. Open, re and ed. Reopened. You see how if we divide, we are able to identify these prefix, suffix and also understand the meaning of it. We stood on a bluff overlooking the ocean. Overlooking again. So, look here is the word. Overlooking is the prefix. Ing is the suffix. Next, in today's world, no part of the globe is unreachable. You see, again, reach, unreach, and able. Unreachable. My father never let anyone see him dressed informally. Again, formal, informal, ly, informally. Everyone thought that Mr. Darcy was the proudest, most disagreeable man in the world. Mr. Darcy is a character from Pride and Prejudice, if you all know, if you have read the book. So, Mr. Darcy was the proudest, most disagreeable man in the world. So, what are we doing to, whom are we going to divide here? Root is agree, disagree, able, disagreeable, suffix is able. Then we have word. Preschoolers should have plenty of opportunities to run, play, listen to stories. Now, school is the word, pre is the suffix, ers is the prefix is pre and suffix is ers. Next, the speaker pointed out the unfairness of blaming high schools for the poor preparation of college freshmen in reading, writing, and math. Fair, unfairness, unfairness. Okay, now we have some words. Read the word in the first column, cross out the suffix